So we're back in the garage and I thought I would show you a bag from Lone Rider. It's the Handlebar bag. It's just a nice little bag for your handlebar. Let me show the inside. So it's not the most exciting bag there is, but for me it's very handy. I can carry all my stuff on my bike and I have quick access to it. So that's what I like. This is the whole bag. And if you open it up one-handed, this is what you see. So you have it on your bike like this. I'll show you in a minute. And you just open it like that and you have quick access. So here you have some earplugs here and a pen. And you have some other stuff over here. And over here I put my phone. Because if I roll it up like that, it's on top. And it's never in my way and it's safe. So that's what I like. And because I make videos while I travel, or when I'm out and about, this has enough space for me to add batteries, more batteries, SD card holders, stuff like that. Keys, whatever, you can put it all in there. So it's a nice little bag and I really like it. And I have some medical stuff that I need to have quick access to. So that's always with me. And it's just a nice little bag. Let me show you how you fit it onto the bike. So here we have my GS. And here we have the bag. And it comes with 3 Velcro straps. One over here, here and here. And how you mount it is just open it up. Put it under your handlebar. And I hope you can see it without me interfering in the frame. So you just mount this up at the bottom. That one's secure. Then the next one. Put it under there. That's secure. And this one also secure. So let me show you. So when you're on the bike, open it up, get your stuff, and that's it. And it's pretty sturdy. It's not fastened all the way now because I just did it quickly. But you can fasten it really tight and just get your stuff. I like it. So didn't see any video about it online, so I thought I would make it. So if someone's interested, it's handy. Till next time, bye.